Jasmy coin holders, today we've got some very big news for the Jasmy coin price, because in this video you will be hearing my new shocking price targets for the Jasmy coin price in the long term, and also we have a bunch of things to discuss in the shorter daily time frame charts. So this will probably be one of the most important videos you will ever watch today, and you will definitely would not want to miss this update video I have right now for the Jasmy coin price. So to begin, we are starting off inside the daily time frame charts as usual, and then later on in the video we'll move to the longer time frames to discuss my long-term outlook and my new shocking price targets for Jasmy coin. But here we are in the daily time frame charts, and as you guys can see, I have recently formulated two possible scenarios in the very near short term. As you guys can see, we have scenario 1, which is the more bullish scenario, is that we're going to be continuing pumping in the next couple of hours, because right now it looks like the Jasmy coin price is on the verge of having another breakout, which is going to be a break above this critical resistance level right here, and that is at around the price level of 0.04 cents. So if we successfully break above this resistance level, that would be very bullish for the price, because now this will be flipped to support, and we can expect this level to obviously support the price in the future if ever we do see a retracement for the price. So yeah, we have two scenarios. Scenario 1 is that we're expecting Jasmy coin to have a break above this resistance zone and then have a pullback. Why am I expecting a pullback? Because right now, if you guys take a look at the RSI, you guys can see we are currently trading at overbought regions right here in the daily time frame RSI. The last time the price has traded at this exact level was right over here. And then as you guys can see, we have a common pattern being formed right now. The last time the RSI was trading at overbought regions, the Jasmy coin price had a sharp pullback or retracement of about 25% towards the downside right here before having that next leg towards the upside. If you do move back way in the Jasmy coin price history, you guys can see we have another example right here. We were trading at the overbought region on the RSI, and then we saw it reflect on the Jasmy coin price by having a 21% pull back towards the downside, and then after that we continue the next leg towards the upside. So same thing right now. If we do move to the current price action, you guys can see the similarities and the sequence on how everything is playing out. So today I have set two possible scenarios. Scenario 1 is the most likely at the exact moment, is that we're going to be seeing Jasmy coin potentially break above resistance at 0.04 cents, and then after that we're going to be having a pullback, because again we are overextended in the RSI, and also in the MACD we are about to have a cross right here, a bearish cross. So just a warning, if you're planning to buy Jasmy coin, I would advise you to be cautious. So scenario 1 is a break above resistance and then having a pullback, about a 20% pullback towards support at 0.04 cents, and then continue the next leg up towards the next major target, and that is at around 0.071 cents, which from the price we're at right now, that would be about an 80% pump towards the upside right over here at our next target. However, scenario 2 is that we're going to be expecting Jasmy coin potentially get rejected right here at resistance, because at the moment this zone right here is still a resistance zone, and unless we have broken above this zone, this is still going to be acting as a resistance. So that is why we have scenario 2, and scenario 2 is that we're going to be expecting Jasmy coin to get rejected right here, and we could have a pullback at this exact moment, a 20% dump towards the downside towards 0.029 cents, and have the next leg towards the upside. So essentially in the short term, I'm expecting that there is a pullback to be expected, but that doesn't change my view that I'm still feeling bullish for Jasmy coin, and I'm expecting higher prices in the next couple of weeks, because Jasmy coin is definitely looking good at this exact moment. So now let's talk about my long-term view and my long-term price targets. So I have set new shocking targets for Jasmy coin actually. So as you guys can see right here, we have 0.3 cents as our target for this bull cycle, but now I have set a new target of 0.51 cents right here, which from the price we're at right now, that would be about a 1,200% pump towards the upside. So yeah, if we do reach this general region right here, that would place Jasmy coin at a $15 billion market cap, which is about a 7x return on investment. So here is the general region where I'm expecting Jasmy coin to reach in this bull cycle, and this is my target. My target ranges from 0.3 cents until 0.51 cents, which again would place Jasmy coin at a $15 billion market cap, which is a 7x ROI. So we are looking good. But again, in the short term, I'm still expecting that at any point now, we could be expecting a pullback of some sort, or we could have the scenario 1 play out, which is we're going to be breaking above resistance and then have a pullback to previous resistance and flip this to support before continuing the next leg towards the upside, towards the next major target at 0.071 cents, which from the price we're at right now, that would be about an 80% pump towards the upside. So we're still looking good, but all I can say right now is just be cautious, because we are really looking like we're going to be having a pullback soon. And I wouldn't be surprised if we were to see a flash crash. But again, overall, I am still bullish for Jasmy coin, and pullbacks are just necessary for the next leg towards the upside, and that would just present a new buying opportunity for Jasmy coin. So I would also like to tell you guys, we're approaching one of the biggest bull runs of our life, and if you are serious about making life-changing wealth in this market, you can no longer do this alone. You need a group of people. You need a network of people who would supply you with value, who would supply you with information, and who would help you spot opportunities in this market. And that can only be accessed in my private networking group over in Discord. This is called the Swan Group, where I release weekly market insights and updates. The reason why our members are growing rapidly is because all we do is provide value with one another and help each other elevate in this market. So if you're not in this group yet, you are missing out. So be sure to join through the link in the description and act now.